Okay, here's the Harbor Freight repaired compressor in action. Here's a little wiring job I did to it. Got to turn this on first, according to the instructions, and then you connect it to your tire, because if you connect it to the tire and then turn it on, it'll blow the fuse, according to the instructions. I can do this one-handed, apparently not. Let me pause this. Alright, there it is running. Here's a close-up of the wiring of it. Obviously it's janky. Don't want to do this in the rain, but it'll work. So the wire reaches all the way from inside the truck out to this back wheel. That's all I really needed to do. And I guess we're going to call it good. Because why not? I use this just to top off my tires sometimes. The one on the driver's side rear loses air a little bit slowly. Probably got a bad bead on the tire. Had slow leaks on on this one and on that one, and that was what it was. The bead was bad. So I figure it's bad on the other one too. Go down to Goodyear one day and get it taken care of.